Welcome back to what is the first ride on the RGV. There's still a few little jobs to do. I need 2 new floats because the ones that I used are old and they had no problems. Speedo cable, the one I've got on there, is broken. What else we got? Where I had an issue with coolant, it was blowing coolant into the expansion chamber as well as consuming coolant in the cylinder. So I think I might, for peace of mind, put some new top end bearings in, and I might change the pistons to Vertex because I used cheap Mitaka ones. Because it's got a little bit of a rattle around sort of 5k upwards, I guess would probably be the best way to describe it. The John Loomis pipe is way better than the Tigra ones, without a shadow of a doubt. It just sounds so much better. But yeah, I've done 118 miles on it so far. Yeah, I should be running it in, but realistically I'm going to track it anyway, so we ain't got time for that. We're going to run it as it is. I got it registered on Thursday and haven't received the logbook yet, but they gave me the reg, so I've only got a number plate made. But yeah, she does look good, actually. She does look good. I might just take a picture. Alright, let's go for a little spin. Vibrate a bit more than the other one. I think it could do with some new engine mounts. Brakes are good. Engine braking is quite audibly noticeable. Oh, it's a shame we're riding away from the sun. Yeah, running those German 34mm carbs. And I should probably take a look at the pistons as well, just to see how they're doing. Obviously I should be running this in, but as I say, it is going to be a track bike, so I need to know that I can open it up and give it the beans. sun. I didn't do standard gearing on this, and what actually happened was, when I ordered the sprockets that I wanted, which was actually to give it a bit more of a quicker acceleration, they didn't have them in stock. So what I've ended up with is what I think is probably a slightly longer gearing, which is totally the opposite of what I wanted. So I'm going to have to review that, because when I do track days on it, I'm only going to do the sort of the shorter tracks, you know, the indie tracks. Like Brands Hatch and Linden Hill. I'd quite like to do Cadwell Park on it. I think that would be quite good fun. This is what it's all about though. Empty roads, albeit terrible roads, condition wise. Bit of sun, and just enjoying that two-stroke. That's what it's all about for me. I do want to get it over to the Isle of Wight as well. Take it around that, is it Military Road? Because I've been there before on my Triumph. Absolutely lovely it was. Really enjoyed it. But I think taking something like this there would be so much fun. Time to head back home, crack open a nice cold one, and jump on the tuning works and look at bits I can't afford. Put them in my wish list. That's a point. I have no idea what the shock is on this thing. It's not RGV, that's for sure. But it seems alright. It's definitely better than the FZR 400 I rode the other week. But a Nitron is definitely on the agenda. Right, well, let's call it there then, lads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Ciao for now.